The first type is Packet Filter Firewall. This is the simplest firewall which is work on network layer of our OSI model. Each and every firewall is having the different configuration. So in this type of firewall, each packet is compared with a set of criteria, and depending on the set of criteria, the packets may be forwarded or it may be dropped. So in case of, they can filter the packet that is based on this specified criteria. So what is this criteria? They can check the IP address, subnet address, TCP and UDP port for particular packet. If the packet consists of proper configuration, then based on the selected criteria, the packets may be forwarded. If the packet is not valid, then these packets may be dropped. This type of firewall is having the low cost and having the low impact on the network performance. So in the given diagram, the packet filter router is there that is placed between the internet and your private network, and it's your security perimeter. So in that security perimeter, we have to match the IP address, subnet address, TCP or UDP port number. If this criteria is fulfilled, then our firewall and our packet filtering router will forward the packet to the correct destination.